Hi, today I want to show you just how easy it is to care for your Kitchen Geeks fat separator. It actually is only 3 pieces. You have your strainer, which is up top. Then you have your measuring cup and your actual vessel to hold the liquid, along with the actual handle that controls the liquid that comes out of the bottom of this. This is a bottom release fat separator. So, 1 piece. And then this whole black piece here with the red button and the actual stopper in it, it actually just unscrews. Hold on to the base, unscrew the top, and that's it. You'll notice it's a very simple but highly efficient, and it works amazingly well for separating your fat, gravy, and making bone broth, what have you. It's amazing for this. So whenever you're cleaning this, now that you have it apart, you want to clean it by hand. This rubber, or it's actually silicone stopper here, what you want is you do not want anything that's going to rough it up. So you don't want to use like a steel wool pad or any kind of abrasive on this. You want to clean this as gently as possible. If there's too much abrasion on the actual stopper, then that'll allow liquid to leak out when you don't want it to. So be cautious with the actual silicone stopper, and that's it. You put it back together, twist it in there. You'll notice the stopper's back in place, and you're ready to go. That's it. Thanks, and we look forward to having you as a Kitchen Geeks member.